Last year, it was end week of September. Honorable District Magistrate Sri S. Arun Prasad sir called me up and told me some of the areas, most probably in Asansol, were being submerged. It was night and it was very dark, pitch dark. It was raining heavily. I also take care of the civil defense activities here. So we requested the civil defense volunteers to come to the rescue. And for 24 hours, the 20-30 boys did a superb job. Means they rescued at least 500 people in 10 pockets. And they were also suitably awarded because they deserved it. And for 24 hours, they didn't sleep, they didn't eat even anything. Like they were on liquid diet and they were just taking moody so that they can work well, they don't sleep during that time. After that, army came and Indian Army was there after 24 hours and they took over the reins of the operation. But by then it was almost done. So it was a big challenge for us. Then the whole administrative machinery was at work. But those were really very tough times. So that also was I witnessed that during Cyclone Hudhud and cyclonic times in Ramnagar. But this was something very, very, very deep, like very critical moments I experienced here. Water was submerging localities after locality, and in full gust it was going in, and we had to rescue people with the limited resources we had. Because in Asansol, in last 400 years, there was never an occasion that warranted such a rainfall. It was unprecedented, unseen, unforeseen, unpredicted. The IM didn't predict such a heavy rainfall. But that was the kind of situation we were in. But I am very fortunate, Gaurav, because God again has given me this opportunity to serve in this times of need.